Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
household stand mixers.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
As every cook knows, nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. Allows for easy access to the mixing bowl. And the Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen the generous 5.5 quart work bowl comes in polished stain. Make up to 6 cups of cream or even 5 dozen cookies. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.
Have the best of both worlds with the combination hand and stand mixing options you get with the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. The mixer is easily removed from the base, giving you a hand mixer for easy tasks or a stand mixer for bigger jobs. Traditional beaters, a whisk, and dough hooks are all included. 290 watts of peak power and 6 speeds, including the quick burst button, make mixing easy. The Shift and Stir Bowl feature lets you shift the included 4-quart stainless steel bowl from side to side as it turns for more thorough mixing. So mix things up with the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. Now that's good thinking.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 6-speed stand mixer. It uses the same mixing action as professional stand mixers and gives complete bowl coverage. What's the secret? The mixing head spins while it rotates completely inside the bowl. Cool, huh? You get much better mixing than you would with any of the conventional 2-beater stand mixers. The mixer has 6 speeds and a special fold setting that works well when incorporating light, fluffy ingredients like egg whites with heavier ingredients of batter. The powerful 300-watt motor makes mixing a breeze. The head tilts up out of the way so you can easily add ingredients into the 3.5-quart stainless mixing bowl. Accessories include a flat beater, a whisk, and a dough hook. The stand has non-slip feet to keep everything put while it's mixing. Now that's good thinking.